Hello, we're Eléonore and Julie. Together, we co-founded Cobalt Contraception, which aims to develop a male contraceptive device accompanied by a spermogram that can be conducted at home, SpermView. The two of us started the project and were joined by Jack Bourdin-White for algorithmic development and Mika for the development of the optical device. We are 4 engineers with different specialties: mechanics and 3D modeling, bioengineering, machine learning, and signal processing, which makes us complementary in the realization of this project. When we were developing male contraception as part of the Cobalt project, we realized that for users of thermal contraception, it's complicated to have regular semen analysis carried out in the laboratory. It takes a long time to make an appointment, it's a long way away in rural areas, and it's uncomfortable to have intimate analysis carried out. Yet these analyses are essential to ensure proper monitoring of male contraception. That's why we have developed SpermView, and here's how it works. Users can carry out their analysis from home. After collecting the sperm sample in a special jar, they use a pipette to place it in a calibrated slide. The slide can then be inserted into the box containing an optical system that magnifies the image of the sample. The user opens the Cobalt application and then takes a video of the sample using their smartphone camera. The algorithm we have developed sends back the result in terms of concentration and mobility. It's as simple as that. With their Cobalt app, they can access all their data to monitor their contraception. To learn more about the project, you can visit our website. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.